What's up guys, and welcome to another install. You're here bagging it with the best. I'm Jacob, this is Benny, and on this episode we're going to be installing airbag suspension to the rear leaf springs of this Isuzu DMAX.
Now this Isuzu DMAX is used as a mobile service vehicle for a fleet of heavy trucks. With all of the toolboxes, tools and gear in the back is pushing the rear end down, causing spring sag. Now this is resulting in loss of travel and bottoming out.
These airbags will solve that spring sag problem and level the vehicle simply by inflating the airbags.
Everything you need to install your bolt-in Airbag Man suspension comes in the kit. Before proceeding with the installation, ensure you read through your vehicle-specific installation instructions thoroughly. This kit's got a recommended fitment time of 2 hours, but we're going to be installing it in 2 to 3 minutes just for you. It is recommended that only a properly qualified person installs the product and carries out maintenance. If you are not qualified and attempt to carry out such work, ensure that all safety equipment is used and safety standards are met.
It is time to prepare the vehicle. What we've got to do here is remove the lower shock mount, loosen off the leaf pack U-bolts, remove the bump stop, and then this will allow us to install the lower bracket and airbag assembly.
Now that the lower bracket is in place, it's time to assemble the upper bracket to the airbag using the supplied bolts. Insert the assembly into place. The threaded air inlet stud will locate onto the lower bracket. Fasten the stud to the lower bracket with the supplied nuts and washers. Tighten the supplied air fitting to the air inlet on the bottom of the airbag. Now it's time to fasten the upper bracket using the supplied nuts and bolts. The first side is complete. It's now time to repeat the same process on the opposite side.
How easy was that? Airbags are installed. Now all we've got to do is route the airlines from the airbag to the inflation valves at the back, then perform a leak test with soapy water in a spray bottle.
When cutting the tubing, only use a sharp Stanley knife or an Airbag Man tube cutter for a clean cut every time. When installing the Airline, it is important to route away from any sharp edges and heat, securing along existing factory lines with cable ties towards the back of the vehicle where you have mounted the inflation valves. Now that everything is in place and leak tested, it is time to refer to the last page of your installation instructions for important airbag operating heights. This page also includes a maximum pressure reference, which reflects your vehicle's load capacity. Now you can enjoy leveling control and many other benefits with your Airbag Man suspension.
That's a wrap, guys. Thanks for watching this episode. Make sure you tune in next time, and remember, bag it with the best.